G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I am at the shed and I think a few of you guys know I've sort of reposted a few things with Street Machine, but I will be doing drag challenge this year and I'm super excited about it, but there's a fair few things that need to get done before that. So today I am driving the Monaro down to Ben at Elite Trim and he's going to help me put the roll cage back in because we need to get that teched. And yeah, just a few other things. I'll put the harnesses in if you can help me with that and whatnot. And also I'm going to be dragging a trailer. I haven't found one yet, but I've got to try and do that. So I jumped on Gumtree and I found myself a rear bumper and a tow bar, which is a little bit frustrating because this thing used to have when I first got it, was the first thing I took off it was a tow bar like that and a bumper like that. So I'm a bit flat that yeah, I don't have them anymore because I sold them, so a little bit frustrating, but anyway, that's what you do. And I've got an absolute mess going on over here with the truck because I decided just to jump in and give this disc brake conversion a bit of a crack, and yeah, that's where I'm at with that. So gonna jump in the Monaro and head down to Elite Trim. Also, I've got all my new hoodies and that here. I've sold a few already, but just want to let you know these are AS Color hoodies. I've got the grey and the tan. I love them. They're thick, they're nice and warm, and very comfortable hoodies. So jump on and get yours. I'm going to go give this one to Ben because he's just a legend and helps me out all the time, and he's done a killer job on this car, so I'm going to bring this one for him. But yeah, this will be the first run. I only got maybe 30 of them from medium up to triple XL, so not all the sizes and only 3 of each size, so not a whole lot. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know, like, the quality is really good. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. So till we're down with Ben, I'll see you then. All right, so here at Elite Trim with Ben, and he's into it, trying to get the first one in. I'm not going to cut the carpet out. I'm going to try to go through the top of the carpet and just see if that all fits. I forgot how much shit there is. Take a little bit more out and then get it going, and it should be sweet, hopefully. So managed to get them in, or Ben did anyway, and that one we had to cut the sort of foam out of there just because it wasn't matching up the top here. We're just going to tighten them up now and then we're all ready to go. And I've got the full bars in. Well, not all of them, just the main 2. That's it. Got them in, and gonna worry about the doing the harnesses when it's on the hoist too, because I've got a new Diff Center. So I've got new diff gears, and they'll be ready for the next roll racing, which will be good. We'll see how that goes. And yeah, so I'm just about wrapped up here. I'm probably just gonna head home. Alright, g'day guys, it is another day. The Monaro is at my house and I'm at the shed, obviously. And I've just had a delivery. Well, I went and picked up some new tools from the guys at Total Tools Thebarton. They have absolutely hooked me up with a brand new set of tools and tool chest. So the old one here is going to go home and have some stuff at home, and then this stuff is going to be here, obviously. So I'm going to unpack this and get into it, set it all up, and yeah, I'm going to get home and then I'm going to finish bolting up the cage to the Monaro. So let's rip into this. Again, huge thanks to the guys at Thebarton. I'm going to be doing some more stuff with them in the coming weeks. I'm going to get some banners off them as well, hang them up. Hopefully we'll have my new logo painted up there next week, so that's exciting. And yeah, so I'm just going to get into these tools. All right, so I've thrown it all together. It's here. and old ones there. I've robbed a few things out of there that are going to come home with me today, but let's see what we've got ourselves here. So starting here, all the sockets, ratchets, all that sort of jazz, pliers, shifters, screwdrivers. I've got a few of my the speed flow belt stuff for fittings and whatnot in there. All this stuff is just awesome. It's a nice drawer. These ones I already had, but thought I'd keep them in there. Spanners, which is amazing. Impact, sockets, just keeps on going. A few other things in here. Spare drawer, and then I've just got the Milwaukee stuff I've got in here. For the moment, always going to build on that. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I got a few things just laid out here. A few things. The place looks like a bit of a shithole. Like normal, things get out of control. But yeah, that's a toolkit I got, and I'm super pumped and can't thank the guys at Total Tools Thebarton enough. They help me out all the time, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing some more stuff with them. Alright, so another day at Paul Pavlou's. Monaro's up there getting a new Diff Center put in it, and all the lads are here. Flat out this place as always, but the boys have fit me in, so get this Diff Center in and take it home. Alright, so here are the two Diff Centers. This is the new one. Strange, all the good stuff in it apparently. I'm not too sure what it is. What diff gears do we have in it, Mick? 325s. And we had 3 7s in this one. So this is going straight into the F truck, which is good. So that's handy. And yeah, I'll be able to test this out this weekend too. So looking forward to doing that. But just had to go get a gasket from Burton's, and yeah, now ready to throw it in. What's that, mate?
You probably get a sponsorship gig from Burton's there.
Oh, that'd be nice. So Burton's, jump on board. Nah, all good. Mick's my sponsor anyway, so it's all good.
And then you just push up. See how the top's gone in?
Yeah, yeah.
Hang on.
Nailed it. Nearly just dropped into that too. That would have been awesome. All right, cool. Piece of piss. All right, I am at the shed, and the Monaro is on the trailer, not strapped up, just sort of thought I'd get it to this point, and I'll come back tomorrow and get it ready for roll racing. Just wanted to finish this clip off. Got covered in plastic at the moment because, as you just saw, a little snippet, there is my new mural on the back there, and a couple others that's in the process as well. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at the roll cage completely in with the interior and everything. There's a lot of bars, but yeah, going to, it's a bit of a nightmare, but let's have a look. All right, so here are the bars that I've just put in, and up there. Now, like I said, I've got, in previous years, I've got the the foam taken out so I can put a helmet on and so I don't get hit by these bars, but that's just tall person problems. But yeah, it's just running really good. Got the new Diff Center in there and went for a little cruise yesterday, running sweet. So I'm really excited to see how it pulls. But yeah, going to finish that video here now. Again, thanks to the boys at Paul Pavlou's and Ben from Elite Trim for sorting me out this week. I know they smashed it out for me. So when they've both sort of been under the pump, so huge thanks to them. And so yeah, huge thanks to them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me some feedback in the comments on the new hoodies. And yeah, until we're at roll racing, we'll see you then.